Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So in this video we discuss the art of smartphone photography. So let's get start the video. It is very interesting video on my channel. So the art of smartphone photography is a book sourcing of concept that revolves around the practice of taking high quality photographics using a smartphones as the primary camera. With the increasing capability of smartphones camera, many photography essentials and even professionals have turned to smartphones as a convenient and versatile tools for capturing, storing images. So the next is, here are some key aspects and topic related to the art of smartphone photography. So the next is composition. Just like with traditional photography, components is critical. Understanding the rules of thread, leads, lines, framing, and other compositional technologies to creative visuals appealing photographics. Okay, the next is light. LIGH, lighting. Pay attention to pay attention to lighting conditions. Nature lights such as during golden hour often provide the best result. Learning how to use and manipulate light to your advantages. And the next is focus and exposure. Most smartphone camera allow you to tap to the screen to set the focus and exposure point. Experiment with the focus feature of control the sharpness and explore of your photos. The next is use of filter and editing apps. These are numerous photo editing apps available smartphone that allow you or enhance the fine tune your image. Popular apps include Adobe Lightroom, VSCO, and Snapseed. Experiment with filter and adjustment to achieve your desired look. The next is stability. Keeping your smartphone stable is essential for sharp photos. Consider using a tripod or a stable surface when shooting in low high condition or capture long exposure shot. Okay, the next is the path of field. Some modern smartphones have more model or D-path sensing features that can create a shovel D-path of field, simulating the effect of DSLR camera. Learn how to use this feature effectively. The next is experimental. Don't be afraid to experiment with unusual, pervasive, and different photographic style. Your smartphone offers a wide range of creative possibilities. The next is apps for special effects. Explore apps that specialize in creating unique efforts such as long expose, light trails, time lapse video, or panoramas. The next is storage and backup. Ensure you have enough storage space on your phone and regularly backup your photos to avoid losing valuable image. The next is sharing and social media. Many smartphone photographers share their work on social media platforms like Instagram. Learn about best practices for showcasing your photos online and building an audience. The next is learning from others. Follow other smartphones, photographics, join photography communities, and participate in challenges to learn and grow as a photography. The next is ethical consideration. Be mindful of privacy and ethical consideration when taking photos of people or sensitive locations. Allow obtains permissions when necessary. So the art of smartphone photography emphasizes that great photography is not solely depend on the equipment but also on the skills and creativity of the photography. With practice and understanding of these principles, you can capture stunning image with just your smartphones. Just a moment, please, my dear family. So the next is raw mode. If your smartphone supports it, consider shooting in RAW mode. RAW files retain more image data and give you greater flexibility during post processing. The next is macro photography. Get up close to your subjects to capture interactive details. Use the manual focus or macro mode if your smartphones has one. Sorry. So the next is editing workflow. Develop a constant editing workflow for your photo. This can include steps like cropping, adjustment, explore, color correlation, and applying filter. Consistency can help give your photo a cohesive style. The next is long exposure. Experiment with long exposure photography using apps that allow for slow shutter speed. This can create beautiful effects like light rains or smooth water in landscapes. Okay, the next is editing tools. Familiarize yourself with advanced editing tools in photos editing apps such as Caves, selective editing, and retouching tools for more refining image adjustments. So the last point is color theory. Study color theory to understand how colors work together in your photos. Complementary and contrasting color can make your image visually sparkling. Oh, sorry, the final is feedback and required. Seek feedback on your work from peers or photography communities. Constructive criticism can help you improve and redefine your skill. So guys, remember that photography is a continuously learning process. The more you practice and explore, the better you are come at capturing memorable and impactful image you with your smartphone. Okay guys, bye bye.